menemukan sebuah quote dari Jepang dan bagus sekali tulisannya. Dia bilang begini, bahwa seekor kupu-kupu akan berhenti terbang ketika hujan turun karena hujan akan merusak sayapnya.
Oh, my life is changing every day, in every possible.
Where's my shirt?
What shirt, baby?
The soccer shirt.
And all my dreams, it's never quite as it seems.
Why would you do that?
Never quite as it seems.
You washed
You
it.
know I felt
washed
like
it.
it's
Signed. I forgot.
now
Now
I'm
what?
feeling even